Japan has introduced a futuristic human washing machine designed to clean the body automatically.
Inside now.
Welcome back.
The user sits inside a capsule filled with warm water. The machine uses gentle water jets, microbubbles, and controlled temperature to wash the body without harsh scrubbing. Sensors monitor the person's heart rate and comfort level during the process. After washing, the machine dries the body using warm air. This invention focuses on hygiene, relaxation, and ease, especially for elderly or busy users.